Ah! All right, guys, we got the extreme mad chainsaw mode difficulty. I'm gonna give it a try. I recorded my first video, first reaction, but I played terribly. There's input lag in the default settings on this controller, so if you haven't played the demo yet, make sure you tweak that because I ruined the whole video. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this out because I've already played it for a while, and I think I might be able to beat it. Let's see what happens. I'm jumping in fresh. I don't even know what's going down.
September 30th.
Skip this. Already seen it. I'm sure you guys have already seen plenty of YouTubers watch this, play this game already. All right. So one thing I noticed also, you can actually go back here. You know, I did not know that before. It's pretty interesting. Run through. Thinking about doing a speed run as well. What do you guys think about that?
How far could he have gone?
I think the fastest way to beat the demo would be to just go all in, you know, just do complete damage, and the game just gives you like the church bell pretty quick, because it's like, oh, you're doing way too good. Let's cut it out. All right, I'm gonna go on control up until the Ganados come out, but when the Ganados do come out, I'm going full mouse and keyboard, because yeah, the controller is a little bit of a holdback. We don't need anything in here. Let me know if you guys have tried the chainsaw challenge, by the way. Skip this. I'm just gonna get to the combat. That's the main difference change here.
Not good.
One thing, Baker's family food. Grab a snack right now, because this is gonna get real interesting. Go ahead, grab a cup. Grab a little bowl. Pour yourself a little bowl of human soup. Ganado soup. Alright. Alright. Kind of debating on like even killing all the Ganados in this house, because I feel like I'm gonna need the ammo later. I'm gonna play it smart. I'm gonna try to get away clean here, and then we'll focus on the main village. This. All right, I'm going full mouse and keyboard here. Yeah, fuck that. This is what I'm good at here. I'm not good with control anymore. Oh, okay. Yeah. Kind of expected that. Not sure why. Wow. 2 guys on the stairs. Can you believe that? Okay. Wow. Okay. Control, stop vibrating. I'm making a video. Oh my god, there's 3 guys? What? Are you serious? That was it. Wow. Redo. Give it to me. Oh my god, I feel like I'm playing a casino game here. Give me another spin. Jesus Christ. I need another spin. I need another bonus spin. Come on, we gotta hit this jackpot. Just like that, I lost all my money, and I'm leaving the casino empty and depressed. Just like that, I hit a jackpot, baby, on a lucky spin. Let's go. Now that I got a sample of what's to come, I think I'm fully prepared to take it a little better this time. It's exactly how we're gonna move the whole game.
What was that?
1 inch at a time. We gotta secure our, you know, health.
No fucking way.
Ah, great. Fuck off me. Am I going the wrong way? Oh my god, I am. That's absolutely fantastic. Wow, that's great. Did not run the right direction. Oh well. Okay, we're good. Jesus. This is stressing me out already. Much as I want to kill these guys, I'm gonna have to pass. I need to keep all my ammo and health. I already wasted a spray. It's not good. Yeah, these ganados aren't really worth killing, you know? Alright, guys. Let's see how this goes. Gonna need some G fuel here. Use my discount code. No life. No life is my discount code. Don't forget to shoot the bird, guys. We get goodies. Okay, so if you do manage to shoot these two birds up here, you do get a little bit of a goodie. If you can do it. I've done it a few times, but I'm not always successful. I find shooting... I got him. I got him. Fuck yeah. So we got one gunpowder and another one. It's random. Sometimes you get better stuff. I have yet to see a hand grenade though from a fucking bird. I'm pretty sure that was a thing in the original. So I'm not sure if I should kill these guys. They're kind of a waste, you know? And I only have 18 bullets. Okay. See, look. One in the chamber. So that's what the +1 is for, if you guys are wondering. That was my super guess also before we seen anything like this. Un verdadero. Fuck this somehow. There's two guys in this upcoming house, by the way. I'm not gonna lie, I really do need that flashbang. Let's go, baby. Oh, get him! Oh, I didn't get that. Holy fuck. Oh, he's turning around. Okay. So we just play the waiting game now. Meanwhile, I'll relieve some stress. Ooh, that was intense. Not so bad, huh, guys? There's a guy in here, too, I think. Hey, how's it going? No! Broke my knife. Uh-oh. That is not good at all. Yikes. I fully regret doing that. Wow. No knife. Chainsaw Madness playthrough. Fuck it, man. Let's go. Oh no. The durability on your knife is a lot weaker now too. 3 shots to melee. Yikes. Tough, man. Luckily, this is all a roll of a dice because all item spawns are random. Oh my god, I forgot I couldn't knife her. Wow. What the fuck, dude? I didn't even get the melee there. Are you serious? Wow. Okay. You know what? That was a good move. Sorry, cowboy. You're gonna be sacrificed for the greater good.
Bill me for the repairs later.
That's right. Burn. I'm gonna need that. Oh, come on. Yikes. Be back. No knife playthrough. Oh, the balls on this guy. Wow. We'll need my flashbang here for sure. Okay, we do have a... Oh, come on. Yes, I love it. Get out of my way. But we can craft some ammo now. Do not like the look of this, guys. We can survive by literally just running around, but that's not the way. You know what? I'm gonna go for the shotgun. I was gonna go that way, but it's a trap.
It's my lucky day.
Ah, it is your lucky day, Leon. I think we can craft some... be short. You know what? I'm just gonna craft handgun ammo. Fuck it. Whatever helps, man. Whatever helps. This guy's already about to come up the damn stairs. Ah. That grenade is gonna do some... With the shotgun ammo here. Okay. Go ahead and equip that. Okay. Wow. Okay. Come on, dude. This is my last heals here. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Do a little standoff here. Okay, this guy is absolutely the guy from Mercenaries right now. Oh shit. Oh my god. We don't have to kill him, but we have to survive. That's the plan here. Oh, motherfucker! This guy is on fire right now. Wow. Hello. Bye-bye. Okay, we can take a little detour here. We're gonna go this way. Oh my god. Oh shit. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this, guys. We can. Definitely. You motherfucker. Where you going? You are not going to use this ladder. That's right, boy. Stay down. Okay. I'm out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is just like Call of Duty Zombies. You just gotta train them. Come here. Whee! Give me that. Motherfucker. Okay, no. Never mind. Changed my mind. Oh my god, I went the wrong way. No! Oh my god, that's blocked off. This guy's nuts! Oh no. Hope I can make it out of here. Oh, bye-bye. When does it stop? Put an end to this madness. Put an end to this madness. Oh, I don't think there's an end to this, guys. Hello, bye-bye. Oh my god. Motherfucker. I need more items. That's 100% for sure. Did we do it? Didn't I have a grenade? Oh, I did not have a grenade. Oh, someone behind me. Oh, okay. Bye-bye. One ammo left. There's no end to this, guys. I'm out of ammo. What the fuck? I don't want to go in here. It's a death trap. Oh my god, dude. I just need one grenade. Give me some ammo. Shit. I'm totally out of ammo, guys. What am I gonna do? There is a box over there. Hopefully we... Oh, come on. Oh my god, my last herb. Yeah, I'm out. No! Wow. There's no end to this, guys. There's literally no end to this. I have to kill him, and I'm out of ammo. What am I gonna do? No church bell, no nothing, man. No, dude. No! Give me some ammo! Ah! There was health right there. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Next video, I will beat the chainsaw guy. But just to give you a glimpse of how this all works, there's no church bell. And if there is, it's heavily extended. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to do. Yeah. By the way, how you do the chainsaw challenge, it's just random. You gotta start the new game. Doesn't give it to you, quit, do it again, do it again. The casino slot game in RE, okay? Anyways, like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Beating this challenge. I'm out.